Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking prerequisites and opening the right files. Make sure the solution compiles and tests run so you don't introduce regressions. Once done, open the target file and related dependencies in split view so you can reference callers and definitions. Make sure line numbers are visible and take a quick backup or commit to source control. This prevents accidental loss. Now position the cursor where replacement begins and scan nearby comments or to-do to understand intent before changing code. Next, perform the actual replacement with care. Use Visual Studio's refactor rename when changing symbols so usages update safely, or use find and replace for text changes, but prefer rejects or whole word options. After editing, rebuild the solution and run affected unit tests to catch compile or behavioral regressions. Once tests pass locally, run the application or a targeted integration test to validate runtime behavior. Make sure to review warning messages and fix them before committing to keep code quality high. Finally, finalize your work by staging and committing with a concise message that explains the replacement and why it was needed. Push and create a pull request, then monitor continuous integration for build or test failures. If CI or reviewers report problems, make incremental fixes or revert the commit and bisect to isolate the issue. One key troubleshooting tip: if behavior breaks unpredictably, run the app with a debugger and logging, enabled to compare pre-change and post-change call stacks and variable states to pin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.